My name's Laurie Loomis. I'm Vice President and Contracts Manager at SC&A Inc. We're a small environmental consulting firm. We've been in business since 1981. We're employee-owned, and we have about 65 employees. We needed to change our accounting system for a variety of reasons, principally because it was absolutely not cloud-based. It was resident on one computer, and one computer only, so it wasn't even networked. So nobody had access to the information other than the accountant. Once we moved to JAMIS, it became apparent that we had much better access to information across the company. I was able to give access to project managers so that they could see real-time who was charging to their contracts, what expenditures they were, and where they were on their budgets.
My favorite thing about JAMIS is the time cards. We process payroll twice a month, and employees cannot make errors on their time cards with the way we've set up the WBS in JAMIS. So payroll for me is now a 2-hour job instead of a day and a half. Another very good feature is the invoice formats. Lots of flexibility with the different types of contracts we have. We're able to just spit out the forms, so to speak. Another feature is the personal leave and comp time accruals and adjusting for that at year end.
When we started up with JAMIS, we were paired with SDL as our implementation contractor. SDL was the driving force behind keeping us moving. We didn't have full-time staff dedicated to this project because as a small business we really couldn't. SDL kept on us, they kept us on track, and they made sure that we were able to get up and running when we needed to.
Going to JAMIS eliminated several large spreadsheets for us that we use to track very important data. One being the personal leave accruals. We were able to get that all into JAMIS through the processing the accruals. And at the end of the year, it was a matter of running a couple of manual accrual batches to account for that instead of reconciling a spreadsheet for hours or honestly days at the end of the year because we wanted to make sure it was correct.
For other companies that are similar to ours and looking for a new accounting system, I would absolutely recommend JAMIS and also SDL.
I was very hesitant to switch. I don't like change and I liked my accounting system, but it is definitely an easier, more efficient system and I'm glad we made the change.